Do you get tired of having to do the same things over and over and over again? Yeah, same. That's probably why you're here watching this video. Since with document templates, we can pre-fill the commonly recurring stuff onto the document so that we don't always need to start from scratch. Use of templates is really easy. Just select what you want to create and mFiles offers you the templates available. You can select from the ones created specifically for your company and for the specific class chosen, or you can choose from the blank ones below if you prefer a clean slate. If you'd like to use another template, you can also browse for other templates or the ones you have recently used. Now we get to the good part. Not only can we choose the standard layout for our template, we can also get the information we filled in on the metadata card to swim right into the document itself. In this case, all that's left for me to do is to fill in a couple of details and this one's ready for signing. Creating a new template is also simple. To make a document become a template, all you need to do is to say to mFiles that it's a template. Now, if we want mFiles to do the work for us in the future, like in the example I showed you before, we need to choose which information we want to be filled in and where. Now let's try our template in action. Yay! Way to go, me! Creating templates like a pro. Oh, and by the way, did you know that there's usually a default view built for your templates? Yep, that one. And another thing. What if you need to modify a template? Double-clicking won't help as mFiles thinks that you want to create new stuff. But can you guess what might do the trick? I know. Too easy for you to even bother answering. Right-click. Well, that's it for us this time. Now it's your time to go crazy creating templates and trying them out, and filling all the stuff automatically. And as always, I will see you in the next video.